Dr. Aditya to be on the dais, please. Request Intractor Aditya to adorn the president with the collar.
The meeting in connection with the installation of the president of which meets this call to order.
Thank you, Keshav. Everybody, please rise for the invocation by Intractor Sneha Maria Johnson.
Instill in us, O Lord, the true meaning of friendship. Never let us forget that we are thy children, that the difference of cultures and creeds should not matter. Endow us with the desire to serve our fellow men, remembering that we too often need help at all times when the need arises, caring to make our badge of interact worthwhile. Tell us we have not lived in vain. Thank you.
Thank you, Sneha. Let us all remain standing for the rotary four-way test. I request Intractor Diya AB to recite the four-way test, and everybody may please repeat the same along with her.
Of the things we think, say, or do, is it the truth? Is it fair to all concerned? Will it build goodwill and better friendships? Will it be beneficial to all concerned?
Thank you, Diya, and all may be please seated. Now, may I request Intractor Aaron Anthony to welcome the gathering.
A very good evening to one and all. I am Intractor Aaron Joseph Anthony, and my task today is to welcome each one of you to the installation ceremony of Intractor Tom Joe as the 5th president of the Intract Club of Cochin East, Secretary Aditya Mohan and his team. We are happy to be a part of the prestigious Rotary Club of Cochin East, which is celebrating its Golden Jubilee year. I take this opportunity to welcome Rotarian Dr. Kuriakos Anthony, President of Rotary Club of Cochin East, Assistant Governor Rotarian Subramanian Sitaram, District Intract Committee Chair Rotarian Pan Radnavel, District Rotary Committee Chair, Rotarian C.G. Kumar, and Rotary Club of Cochin East President, Rotractor Nidin. I would also like to extend my heartily welcome to Rotarian Arun Uncle and GGR Jairaj Uncle. I would also like to welcome our own very Rashmi Auntie, who is Youth Service Director of Cochin East, and past President Rotarian Hariharan, who is in charge of the Youth Service. Warm welcome to all presidents of sister intract clubs of the district and to all teachers who are in charge of the same. Special welcomes to Tom's grandmother and family, and all special invited guests, including Rotarians, aunts, and aunts of Cochin East. Last but not the least, I welcome each one of you, my dear friends and interactors, to this meeting. Let's join hands and serve to change lives. Thank you.
Thank you, Aaron. As we all know, under the leadership of Keshav and the team, the club had the most glorious time. We won several prizes and recognitions, including the most prestigious Rotary International Citation. Let us hear from Interactor Keshav Jayaraja, his experience as the president of this prestigious club.
Dear dignitaries, dear dignitaries on and off the dais, a warm good evening to all. I successfully completed my year as the president of this youthful Interact Club. Our activities of the Interact year started off on the first day of July under the district priorities Yes. We joined our hands with our parent Rotary Club East and planted saplings at Bhavans Vidya Mandir Alamakara and Tokich Vaitla. We also distributed cycles to underprivileged students at Kochal. We started our year's first meeting at 12 noon of the auspicious Independence Day. Adapt, adopt, and assimilate. An Interact elocution by our district literacy chair, Rotarian Meena Vishnathan Aunty, where 6 interactors spoke about 6 different topics. During our installation, we gave curry leaf saplings to our Eastarian family, which is still nicely taken care by our aunties. We joined hands with parents and siblings clubs for the project Annam, which was the initiative by Rotary Club of Cochin East. Internally, we collected funds for 125 food packets from our club. When we were distributing the food packets to the needy, we felt very happy by seeing the smiles on their faces, which is heart-melting and touching moment in our life. We could conduct a dining etiquette training that was handled by Marriott chef Mr. Naveen Dogra. This was our first physical meeting in the club. We had a wonderful hands-on experience. We had submitted a video for the Interact Awards 2020, conducted by RI, and got a certificate of participation. Our polio immunization day, we went to Alankad Primary Health Center, where we saw many infants and kids coming for polio drop administration. Our Rotary president administered polio drops to Tom Joe's younger sister, Abigail. We distributed N95 marks to primary health workers with our internal collection. We added 5 new members to our family, and chief guest of that meeting was District Governor nominee, Rotarian Rajmohan Nair. We interactors had an excellent get-together, including the new members. We went to an outing for McDonald's. We had great fun and time. I could achieve my dream during the fag end of the Interact year. The idea was that one which we were longing, but due to the COVID, it was delayed. We interactors through Townscript conducted an ICE health awareness run or ride on June 20th. We had a good number of participation and e-certificate were issued to the participants. We also won an RI citation. It was inspiring one. And our youth service director, Rotarian Rashmi Aunty, won a well-deserved Best Youth Service Director of the District 3201 during the award nights. I would like to thank our mentor, guide, and backbone, Rotarian Rashmi Aunty, who has been a valuable guide through her constant input and support. Aunty, you made the club active. Thanks for being a mentor and guiding me and my team on the right path. I'll always be thankful to you, Aunty. I would like to thank Rotary President during my Interact year 2021, Rotarian M. Jayaraja. It was a great honor for me that me and my Appa were presidents of Rotary and Interact during the same period. Appa, you're a great example for me to follow. It's great when it comes to a father-son duo because a son tends to learn faster from his father than anyone else. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank Kishore uncle for all his technical support and posters, which attracted many and made them participate. My appa, Anna, and brother for always supporting my ideas, small or big, and for considering me like an adult. My amma used to help me in coordination and executing projects. She always made me understand the pros and cons of a project with respect to Rotary. My brother is the first person who I share my ideas with and thoughts. He was a big pillar of support. I would like to thank all Interactors and East Asian family for the tremendous support and helping me throughout this roller coaster journey. Last but not the least, I would like to thank my secretary, Joanne, who has been a constant support throughout the year. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you, Keshav. Before moving on to the secretary's report, we would like to recognize the presence of Rotractor Aishu, the immediate past president of Rotract Club of Cochin East. Now let's watch the secretary's report. Joanne, the floor is yours.
A very good evening to one and all present here. As we come to the end of another Interact year, as Secretary, I'm obliged and honored to present the report of the year 2020-2021. As we all know, the year 2020 was no cakewalk. Communication was difficult, most of our interaction was online, and getting everybody together on the same page wasn't an easy task. Despite its shortcomings, we pulled through. Our consistency and dedication helped us successfully complete and participate in 25 projects and events. Here's a briefing of how our year went. We started off our year by planting trees at 2 schools, that is Bhavans Vidya Mantar, Elmakara, and Tokich Vaitala. We kept boards depicting the name, scientific and traditional value of the trees planted. We had distributed 6 cycles to the underprivileged school-going children of the Kochal village as part of the project entitled Pedal to School. We also distributed curry leaf saplings, which is an oxygenator, to our parent club Rotarians. As part of self-development, we had conducted an elocution program wherein which 6 interactors spoke about 6 different topics, and the opening remarks were given by our district literacy chair, Rotarian Meena Vishwanathan ma'am. We, along with our sibling and parent club, fed around 500 street dwellers on Independence Day as part of the Noble Project Annam. There were long queues to collect food packets in many areas. The project with the brainchild of our sibling club, Rotract. To inculcate self-development in each one of us, interactors, we conducted a dining etiquette workshop where we were trained by Chef Naveen Dogra of Marriott Cochin. On the occasion of World Heart Day, we conducted an awareness walk holding placards and balloons depicting the awareness of a healthy heart. During the Interact Week celebrations, we participated in the meeting conducted by our Rotary District 3201. We had received a certificate of recognition as well. During the governor's official visit to our parent club, we were recognized by the district governor for the good works we did. We participated in carols and carnivals along with our parent club Rotary, and our annex had banked first place in crypt designing competition. We had uploaded a video demonstrating the projects we interactors did and had put it up in the RI website for 2020 Interact Awards, which had the participation worldwide. We were among the 400 participants and had received a recognition certificate from the Rotary International. On Republic Day, we participated and received a certificate of appreciation in the Inter-Interact Republic Day quiz competition, which was conducted by the District Interact Committee of the RI District 3201. We, along with our Rotract Club of Vayar Thalir, conducted and participated in a speaker session by Captain Sanjay Jaiswal, where he spoke about the opportunities we could explore in the Indian Navy as an officer. Along with our parent club, we had distributed sensory samplings in the Kochal area. On National Immunization Day, we volunteered and distributed 60 N95 masks to the Alangad primary healthcare workers. As part of the Each One Bring One project, we brought in 5 new Interact members and conducted a new member induction. We were felicitated by our district governor, Rotarian Raj Mohan Nair, who was a chief guest for the event. Rotary Club of Rising Stars, along with 3 Interact clubs, including Interact Club of Cochin East, had conducted a speaker meeting entitled Good Evening 3201, where one member of each of the Interact clubs were mentored and trained by the Rotractors and were given an opportunity to speak on any one of the 7 topics of the wonders of Rotary. We, along with our parent club, donated gloves to the railway station workers as they were part of the frontline workers during this pandemic. We had a fun Interactors Day out where we got to meet all our new Interactors. We socialized and played icebreaker games, which indeed brought out the true spirit of Interact in each one of us. We Interactors, along with our ANITs and our parent club, had conducted and organized a special Mother's Day tribute on the 5th of May for all our dear mothers of Rotary Club of Cochin East. We made videos exhibiting our creativity and showing our love for our very own mothers. On the 31st of May, President Keshav and myself had planned a fun online meeting to socialize and engage in fun activities with all our Interactors. We played games and music and got to know each other better. As part of the World Environment Day, we Interactors participated in a drawing competition and had received e-certificates as well. Our IPP Anya IB had banked 3rd prize from the category 3. We participated and received certificates in the 3-day E-Raila event that was held from the 18th to 20th of June. From the 20th to the 27th of June, we, Interact Club of Cochin East, organized an online run/ride to create health awareness among us, especially during this pandemic. We had around 130 registrations, and our Interactor Gabriel had got the first runner-up. Finally, as we come to the end of our year, our Interact Club of Cochin East was recognized by the RI, and we had received an e-citation for helping Rotary open opportunities by helping in the lives of the people all over the world. I would like to conclude by saying none of this would have been possible without the guidance and support of our mentor, Youth Service Director, Rotarian Rashmi Aunty, whose efforts were taken to push us to grab opportunities and strive for our best. Thank you to each and every one of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Joanne. That was indeed a great year. Now may I request immediate past President Rotarian Jairaj Uncle and Rashmi Aunty to please hand over the Rotary International Citation to Keshav. Joanne may please join them. A proud moment for us all. For the first time in the history of our Interact Club, that we are winning an international citation. Let us give a big round of applause and a standing ovation to the entire team. Now, Interactor Keshav would be presenting a token of gratitude for his secretary, Joanne. Now let me invite Interactor Gabriel Thomas to come onto the dais and introduce our incoming president, Interactor Tom Joe Johnson.
Good evening, dignitaries on and off the dais. Today, I'm here to introduce our incoming Interact president, Master Tom Joe Johnson. He is the eldest child of Rotarian Johnson P. Tommy and Rotarian Vidya Johnson. Tom is a wonderful brother Tom is a wonderful brother to Sneha Maria Johnson and Abigail Jane Johnson. He literally dotes on these two sisters. You can see it for yourself. He is studying in 11th standard in Assisi Vidya Niketan Public School, Kakanad. His hobbies are fishing, cycling, ornamental fish breeding, and making terrarium. തെങ്ങേ കയറാൻ ആളെ കിട്ടാത്ത സമയത്ത് you can always contact him. He is also a Newgen തെങ്ങേറ്റക്കാരൻ. But apart from this, I bet he's going to win the Karshaka Shri Award. Look at the bumper harvest he has managed to get. His achievements. He's a school baseball and softball player. He has won prizes in long jump, high jump, running, etc. Even in Rotary athletic event, he usually wins prizes. Last but not the least, Tom is always happy to be in the midst of his family. So that our new Interact President of the year 2022, Tom Johnson.
Thank you, Gabriel. Request President Keshav to install Interactor Tom Joe Johnson as the 5th President of the Interact Club of Cochin East by collaring him. President, please hand over the charter and affix the President pin on him. President Tom will now install Interactor Keshav as the immediate past president. Thank you, Keshav and Tom. President Tom will now hand over a memento to IPP Keshav as a token of appreciation. Thank you, Tom. Now let's hear from our newly installed Interact President, Tom Joe Johnson.
Respected Rotary President, Rotarian Kuya Kosangal, respected Assistant Governor, Rotarian Subramanian Sir, respected Secretary Vinu Uncle, Youth Service Director Reshmi Andy, board members, all Rotary parents, Rotary aunts, and warm good morning to all of you. It has been a great day for me. First of all, I thank all of you for giving me an opportunity to be your Interact President. I accept this responsibility as the President of Interact Club of Cochin East, and I feel proud to be the President of such a prestigious club. It has been more than 10 years since my father joined Rotary Club of Cochin East, and I have enjoyed every single event since then. As you all know, during 2018 flood, my residential area was badly affected, and our beloved James Uncle and Papan Uncle rescued me from my house. Thank you once again, Papan Uncle and James Uncle. It was really adventurous. So after when all the people in your area was suffering, from flood, I saw how all the Rotarians came forward to help them in many ways. This brought me more closer to Rotary and how we could help the needy. Now that God has given me an opportunity, I look forward to work together with Rotarians and Rotaracts along with my Interact members for a better tomorrow. Now I would like to thank my family members for their moral support and inspiration, especially Amachi, Papa, Mama, my parents, sisters, and thank you, Father Terence Palipambil, my beloved uncle, for motivating me throughout my life. My dear Interact members, without you, my Interact presidency is incomplete. Let us work together to make a memorable year. Without guidance and support from our parent club, we are nothing. So, Kuryakos uncle and Vinu uncle, we look forward for your guidance and support. Energetic, enthusiastic, and always smiling face. That's a picture of our immediate past president and my beloved friend Interactor Keshav Jayaraja. He has done a great job last year and I appreciate him for his tremendous effort and enthusiasm which brought our club the Rotary International citation. Thank you Keshav and Joanne for a wonderful year. Our Youth Service Director, Rotarian Rashmi Andy, is our guiding light and inspiration. As I have come to know, she is really a wonder woman who could change someone like me into a capable of standing before you. Thank you, Andy, for guiding me like a friend and a teacher. Without you, I couldn't make this to the dais. And once again, I thank you everyone for supporting us with your presence and prayers. Thank you.
Thank you, Tom. We would like to recognize the presence of our past president of our club, Interactor Rahul. Thank you, Tom. Tom, please come down and install your board of directors. Once the names are called, board members may join President Tom in front of the dais. After you are installed, please assemble at the backstage behind the dignitaries. Right. Sergeant at Arms, Interactor Dhruvan Karthik.
Interactor Dhruvan Karthik, I hereby install you as the Sergeant at Arms for the year 2021-22.
President-elect Interactor Gabriel Thomas.
I hereby install Gabriel as the President-elect for the year 2021-22.
Secretary Interactor Aditya Mohan.
I hereby install Aditya Mohan as my secretary for the year 2021-22.
Vice President Interactor Aaron Anthony.
Interactor Aaron Anthony, I hereby install you as the Vice President for the year 2021-22.
Joint Secretary, Interactive DIB.
Interactor DIB, I hereby install you as the Joint Secretary of, for the year 2021-22.
Treasurer, Interactive Sneha Maria Johnson.
Interactor Sneha Maria, I hereby install you as the Treasurer for the year 2021-22.
Community Service Director, Interactive Nora Naveen.
Interactor Nora Naveen, I hereby install you as the Community Service Director for the year 2021-22.
Club Communication Director, Interactive Past President, Anna Epic.
Interactor Anna AB, I hereby install you as the Communication Director for the year 2021-22.
Editor, Interactive Joanne Sarah George.
Joanne Sarah George, I hereby install you as the Editor for the year 2021-22.
Thank you, Tom. Now let's have a group photo of the board. Now it's time for the new member induction. Today we have 3 new members joining the club. They are Parvati Baiju, Ashwika Jomon, and Anamika Jomon. I request Interactor Govind Krishna to introduce them. President Tom may please induct them to the Interact Club.
A warm welcome to everyone present here. I am here to introduce the 3 new members to the Interact Club. First, I introduced you Ms. Parvati Baiju. Parvati is an 8th grader. Parvati is an 8th grader of Bhavan's Vadina Vidyalaya, Trikkakara. She loves to travel, paint, read, dance, and spend time with friends and family. She has received prizes in curricular and as well as co-curricular activities in school and inter-school level. I present before you Ms. Parvati Baiju. Next, I introduce to you Ms. Anamika Maria Jo. Anamika is an 8th grader, student of Rajagiri Christo Jayanti Public School. Her hobbies are dancing, singing, baking, and vlogging. She received first place for Kids Fest dancing, second place for CCA competition, and third place for singing. I present before you Ms. Anamika Maria Jo. The third member to be introduced before you is Ms. Ashwika Anjo. Ashwika is 11th grader, student of Rajagiri Christo Jayanti Public School. Her hobbies are drawing, painting, dancing, and singing. She has received prizes for YAS 2021, Artist Showcase, Margam Kali, A grade for CBS Youth Kalolsavam. I present before you Ms. Ashwika Anjo. Requesting President Tom Joe to. Thank you.
Thank you, Tom and Govind. Now may I request Interactor Nora Naveen to announce the first project.
Hello, everybody. Good evening. Thank you, President Tomjo, in making me the Director for Community Service. Giving food comes under the goodness of Rotary District priority. As the first project of this year, we will be handling over provision at the Boys Orphanage at a Rotary adopted village, Kochal. The date would be confirmed very soon. Request all of you to be present there. Seeking everyone's blessing and support. Thank you.
Thank you, Nora. Now it's time for felicitations. Let's hear from our parent Rotary Club President, Rotarian Dr. Kuriakos Uncle first.
Hearty congratulations, President Tomjo, Secretary Aditya, and the entire team. Let's be the change makers for this year. What is an Interact Club? Rotary International explains Interact Clubs as one which brings together young people between the ages 12 to 18 to develop leadership skills while discovering the power of service above self. So leadership skills, we can say that it is an art to bring together everyone to get the best out of them. Remember, if you work hard and work as a team, you can really do wonders. Mother Teresa once said, not all of us can do great things, but surely we can do small things. It can be even a smile or sharing something. If this act brings happiness to someone, it is a service. So service above self does not mean you need to always spend money. All I would want you to remember is to remember that the fact that Interact is the best place where you can start your service to the society. You will soon realize in life that giving is the most rewarding act by itself. So keep doing meaningful projects, and Cochin East and its team, especially your Youth Service Director, Rotarian Reshmi Anil, will always be there to guide you and help you in all your activities. Once again, wishing the new team led by Tom Joe all success. God bless each one of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Uncle. May I request our Assistant Governor of Rotary, Rotarian Subramanian Sir, to do his felicitation.
Dear President Kuriakos Anthony, Interact Club President, Interactor Tom Joe Johnson, Immediate Past President, Rotarian Keshav Jayaraja, Youth Service Chair, Rotarian Reshmi Anil, District Interact Chair, Rotarian Pon Red Navel, District Rotaract Chair, Rotarian CG Kumar, then other members of Rotary Club of Cochin East, young leaders of this Interact Club of Cochin East, good afternoon to all. Today we have witnessed an installation of the Interactor Tom Joe Johnson as the 5th president of the Interact Club of Rotary Club of Cochin East. I compliment the good works done by Rotary Club of Cochin East President Rotarian Kuriakos Anthony and his team, especially in this 50th year of its. As Dr. Kuriakos said, Rotary International Service Club for young people in the age group of 12 to 18 is called the Interact. Usually the Interacts are started in schools, and now we have a unique one in which it is a community-based one. That's a good sign, because you can bring a lot of students from different places together in a common platform. And to understand that most of the children are the annets of this club, Rotary Club of Cochin East. Rotarian Keshav, Interactor Keshav, in spite of the prevailing pandemic last year, you had actively participated in all the district and international events. I am told that you have been doing massive community service projects and speaker sessions even during the period of pandemic. Many of your members had also had an opportunity to attend the E-Raila that was organized by the Malaysian club. All the good works were also rewarded as your club bagged international citation for this Rotary for this Interact year 2021. Your Youth Service Chair, Rotarian Reshmi Anil, has been the real force for the recognitions your Interact Club has made last year. Congratulations, dear Interactor Tom Joe Johnson. You are chosen as the 5th president by the members of the Interact Club of Cochin East. Today marks the beginning of a new set of office bearers for the office of Interact Club of Cochin East. I wish the team headed by you all the very best and continue to involve in the projects of the Rotary Club of Cochin East, and also get involved in the seminars and conferences that come in the way. And I would like to mention some of the important days that are coming in the Rotary calendar. August is the Membership and Club Development Month. In the 5th to 11th of October, you have this, in the first week of October 2020, we have the Rotary Alumni Reconnect Week. On the 5th of November is the World Interact Day. World Interact Week is celebrated Monday through Sunday during the week of 5th November. The 1st December is the Interact Video Awards submission due date. And May, you have the Youth Services Month. And the 15th August, you have the reports due for the Rotary citation of Interact clubs. For dear Chair, Dr. Reshmi Anil, I have some suggestions. Before beginning the club activities and service projects, please review the Interact guide in the Rotary sponsors and advisors. This can help the Interact members identify the unique skills and interests and form a plan. So, be a part of something bigger by supporting the Rotary's causes. Participate in the Global Youth Services Day and download the resources from the service partner YSA. Show the world how Interact members take action during the World Interact Week in November, and submit a video for the Interact Video Awards that shows your club in action.
By doing so, I am sure that you'll be able to have a better interact here as the president of this great club, dear Joe. On my part, I assure you full support, guidance, and cooperation for your club throughout the year. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We are indeed proud to have amongst us the District Director of Interact, Rotarian Pol Ratnavale, sir. We request sir to felicitate our new team. Now, I would like to call upon our Rotaract Club of Kochine's President,
May I request Rotaract District Chair C.G. Kumar sir to have a word. Felicitate our new president. Thank you.
Good evening to all from Coimbatore. I hope all of you are keeping safe. Good evening, friends. Indeed, a pleasure to be here this evening. President, Interactor Tom Joe, immediate past President, Interactor Keshav, President of the Rotary Club of Cochin East, Rotarian Dr. Kuriakos, Assistant Governor, Rotarian Subramaniam, District Interact Chair, I'm sure he's going to join us very soon, Pol Ratnavale, Youth Service Director of the Rotary Club of Cochin East, Rotarian Rashmi Anil, President of the Rotaract Club of Cochin East, Rotaractor Nitin, all other Rotaractors, Interactors, Rotarians, families, friends, teachers, good evening to all of you. I'm indeed very happy to be a part of this wonderful event this afternoon. It makes a lot of sense for me and also creates a lot of nostalgia for me because I myself was an interactor. Of course, that was long ago, so long ago, nobody knows how long ago. So anyway, those days, memories have come flooding back to me. The report that was presented by the outgoing secretary, Interactor Joanne Sarah George, very impressive. I'd just like to say something about why reports are presented in such events by the outgoing team. It is just a method to take stock of, did we hit what we wanted to? Did we do what we intended to when we started this year? And I'm sure, seeing from your report, you have gone way past what you originally intended to, and you have really achieved a lot being an Interact Club. For a moment here or there, I even felt that this was a report of a Rotary Club. But then that shows how vibrant you are. And for the incoming president, Tom Joe, a report is a benchmark to see that this is how this club has functioned. And from here, where can I take this club? After all, any organization, there is no competition. There is only improvisation. There is only growth. Particularly for a service organization like Rotary, it is very important, Rotary and its constituents, Rotaract and Interact, it is very important to be inspired by the work done by our predecessors and carry forward the mantle of an illustrious club like yours to greater heights. And that is what that report should tell you. Particularly, you have a very charismatic, vibrant, energetic, and always on the toes youth service chair, Rotarian Rashmi Anil. She's like Gary Kirsten for the Indian team, under whom we won the World Cup. So you can't ask better than Gary Kirsten. And if there is somebody who can do that, that is Rotarian Rashmi Anil. I have had the pleasure of interacting with her just about the last 1 month, and she has already given me 10 truckloads of ideas, which I can't execute in 1 year of DRCC. I must probably talk to the incoming governors also and request them to keep me in this post for a while. So you have got a fantastic parent club, the Rotary Club of Cochin East, all of them who are there to support you, to motivate you, and do whatever you want to make your presence and your term as an interactor meaningful. Once again, I thank you all for the opportunity given and for inviting me to be a part of this beautiful meeting. And congratulations to Interactor Tom Joe on taking charge as the president of the Interact Club of Cochin East. I can see he's definitely going to hit quite a few balls outside the park He's definitely going to have a great innings as the president of this wonderful club. Congratulations to you and congratulations to the outgoing team. Congratulations to the Rotary Club of Cochin East. Thank you all so much. Good afternoon.
Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to call upon our Rotary Club of Cochin East President, Retired Nitin, for felicitating Intractor Tom and his team.
Good evening all. Actually, I am Rotarian Nidhinath Prasad, President of Rotary Club of Cochin East. And actually, it's very happy to see the first installation of the Interactor Tom Joy. And I wishing all the best wishes to the team and hope to see you all together. Thank you.
Thank you, Retractor Nitin. Now it's the turn of our Youth Service Director, Rashmi Aunty. Let us listen to what she has to say.
Dear friends in Interact and Rotary, a warm good evening to one and all. Before I felicitate Tom and his team, I would recognize the presence of some of the advisors, including Bhavan's Vidya Mandir teacher, then members from our sister clubs, not ours, actually Interact Club's sister clubs. And I welcome you all to this wonderful evening of the meeting and being with us. We are so happy to have you all and your blessings really value to us. Thank you once again. I stand before you today with full heart. This credit is to Keshav, okay? And his team who has done a fabulous performance last year. A big round of applause for them, please. The club attended almost all the district events as we saw in the slide of Joanne, and they have made their mark by winning most of the events conducted by the district. And the year was so systematically planned by our Keshav, and Joanne was methodical in sending me reports beginning of the month itself, and it was so convenient for me that I could report the same to the district within 10th of every month. A big round of applause to both. Unlike in Rotary, we always, they had club meetings, speaker meetings, as well as community services. This year, I am sure since Keshav had already made a benchmark, it is not going to be a tough job for Tom to match that, and let's maintain it, okay? Then last year, the club was fully with Keshav and his team, and we assure that we will remain the same in the coming year also. All the very best. I'll just say a policy, I'll just share with you a policy of Rotary, what Joanne had mentioned as one of the project in her slide, which says each one bring one. It's in quotation. Each one bring one means what? Can some of the interactors tell me each one bring one means what? You understood. But it is not happening by? Okay, so I am putting an offer. Okay, it is Rashmi Auntie's personal offer. Okay. Everybody who all are bringing one member each to the club will get a prize from me. Let me see this year who all will achieve the prize. This is not the Rotary Club's offer. This is Rashmi Auntie's personal offer. Agreed? I don't hear. I hear only Mama's voice saying agreed. I want kids' voice. Agreed? Thank you. Okay, so I conclude my felicitation with a quote made by Charles Dickens, which I have never heard much, but I felt it matches well with our Rotary's, the spirit of Rotary. It says like this: have a heart that never hardens, a temper that never tires, and a touch that never hurts. I have to look at Jayaraja for that, not for the heart, but for the temper. Thank you, thank you. Our all full support to the entire team. All the very best to you. Let's blast. Thank you.
Rashmi Aunty for their inspiring speech. The formal ceremony hereby ends with the vote of thanks by a vibrant club secretary, Intractor Aditya Mohan.
Good afternoon, one and all. I have the honor and privilege to propose a vote of thanks today. I would like to begin by thanking our parent Rotary Club President, Rotarian Kuriakos uncle, for supporting us and gracing us with your presence at this installation meeting of our Interact Club. Thank you, uncle. Next, Assistant Governor of our Rotary District, Rotarian Subramanian uncle. Thank you, sir, for joining us here for this pleasant evening. We are privileged to have you here. Rotarian Pol Ratnavel uncle, District Interact Committee Chair. Thank you, sir, for taking time out and joining us here today online. I would like to thank Rotarian C.G. Kumar uncle, District Rotaract Committee Chair, for joining us here today. Thank you, sir. Rotaractor Nitin Chetan, President of our Vertical Rotaract Club of Cochin East. Thank you for taking part and supporting us. Thank you, Rotarian Manikarthik uncle and Dhruv for technical support, starting from the digital invite to the hybrid meeting. A huge shout out and thank you to Rotarian Rashmi Aunty for all the efforts and support from you to pull on this wonderful installation ceremony so beautifully. I would like to place on record our thanks to Rotarian Jayaraja uncle, other Rotarian uncles and Rotary and aunties, and parents present here for your support. Blessings and guidance to all. I would like to thank Rotary for providing us with the hall in which this session is currently taking place. I would also like to thank Aryan uncle for the delicious snacks and drinks. Last but not the least, a huge warm thanks to all my fellow interactors from Anna B, Dia B, Sneha Maria, Aaron Anthony, Joanne Sarah, Gabriel Thomas, Govind Krishna, Nora Naveen, IPP Keshav, President Tom Joe, and to every single interactor here for your stellar efforts today in making this function a very memorable one. I would like to thank one and all here who took time out to attend this installation of the team of Interact Club of Cochin East for the year 2021-22. Let me also thank all those who could join this session online. I hope I have not missed anyone. In case I have, please bear with me. It was not on purpose. Your presence here is of huge support to us. With these words, I would like to conclude my formal duty. We interactors wish you all a wonderful evening and thank you all once again. Goodbye and Godspeed.
Thank you, Aditya. I request everyone to rise for the national anthem. Thank you everyone for coming here even during this pandemic and supporting us. We expect this cooperation and support in the future as well. Thank you and have a great day. All Interact members are to stay back for a group photo.
I hereby adjourn this meeting.
welcome everyone.